Hello students, let us solve the question from the chapter Waves and Oscillation. So question says, for a particle executing simple harmonic motion, which of the following statement is not correct? Which of the following statement is not correct? Restoring force is maximum at extreme position. Kinetic energy of the particle always remains the same. Restoring force is always directed towards a fixed point. Acceleration of the particle is minimum at the equilibrium position. So, in a simple harmonic motion, velocity is given by omega velocity is given by v equals to omega square root a square minus y square. Y is the distance from the mean position. So kinetic energy can be written as kinetic energy can be written as half mv square. Substitute v square from this expression. So v square will be omega square a square minus y square. So kinetic energy of the particle is not same, as y is the distance from the main position and it changes. So kinetic energy will also change. It is not same for all the time. Okay, acceleration of the particle. So for acceleration of the particle, acceleration is given by minus omega square y. Y is again changing. It is 0 at mean position and maximum from the mean position. A is the amplitude of the oscillation and y maximum become plus minus a is the amplitude of the oscillation. So acceleration is dependent on the displacement from mean position. So acceleration of the particle minimum at equilibrium position. At equilibrium point, y equals to 0 and acceleration will also be 0. So at equilibrium, when y equals to 0, acceleration is 0, that is minimum. So this statement is correct. Kinetic energy of the particle always remains same. This statement is not correct. This is not always same. Now the restoring force. Force can be written as mass times acceleration. Acceleration, as I written here, acceleration is minus omega square y. At extreme position y becomes plus minus a. So at extreme position, acceleration will become minus omega square plus minus a. Okay, so at extreme position y becomes maximum, a become maximum at extreme position. So the acceleration become maximum at extreme position. Therefore, and force is dependent on the acceleration, so force is maximum at extreme position. Force is also maximum at extreme position. So restoring force is maximum at the extreme position. This is true. Restoring force is always directed towards a fixed point. Yes, in SHM, restoring force is always directed toward the fixed point. Let us take the example of simple pendulum. This is the mean position, and at any position the force is always acting towards the mean position. Here y equals to 0. If pendulum is here, again the force is acting towards a fixed point, which is the equilibrium point. So restoring force is always directed towards the fixed point. This is also the correct statement. This is also correct. This is also correct. So particle executing simple harmonic motion, the not correct option is option 2. Second option is the correct answer to this question. This is the correct answer. Hope you found the solution understandable. Thank you.